for ma'am? With emphasis on the word variable. Hindi sa reliable eh. Kaya hindi sa pwede maging baseload eh. That's why you need all of these things which will further increase the cost of power. Now, as a policy, why are you doing that? Nakikisabay tayo sa Green Post Worldwide na the Philippines' contribution to carbon emissions worldwide is 0.03. Between China and the US is about 50%. And we're the ones who are keen on doing this, and China and the US are not even budging? Tayo yung nanggigigil magbawas dahil kahit 0.03 lang tayo, kahit magastos yung kuryente? Are we there? Is that, nakikisabay lang ba tayo? Or are we being pressured by our Western allies to do this? Are they making money only available for this? But DOE has a policy